Welcome back to ASVAB Practice Test, your ultimate guide to mastering the ASVAB test and securing your dream military career. If you've ever felt nervous about the General Science section, don't worry. You're in the right place. Because in this video, we're not just memorizing facts. We're understanding science the ASVAB way. We'll go through real-style ASVAB questions, just like what you'll see on test day, covering biology, chemistry, physics, earth science, and anatomy, all explained in simple, easy-to-remember terms. Each question will sharpen your logic, boost your recall speed, and build the confidence you need to score high on the AFQT. Whether you're aiming for the Army, Navy, Air Force, or Marines, your ASVAB score decides your opportunities, so every correct answer matters. Stay with me till the end, because this series will take you from beginner to pro, one question at a time. Each video in this series contains unique, non-repeating questions, carefully chosen from real ASVAB-style topics, so you'll never waste a single minute on duplicates. And here's the secret. Consistency beats cramming. If you practice just a few minutes a day, you'll start seeing patterns, building confidence, and thinking like a test taker, not a guesser. So, grab a notebook, stay focused, and test yourself as we move along. Let's make every second count. And by the time you're done with all 1,000 questions, you'll be ready to crush your ASVAB science test. 1. Which part of the cell controls most cell activities? A. Cytoplasm. B. Nucleus. C. Ribosome. D. Cell wall. Correct answer, B. Nucleus. Explanation. The nucleus acts as the control center of the cell, containing DNA that regulates cell functions. 2. What gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Correct answer, B. Carbon dioxide. Explanation. Plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen during photosynthesis. 3. The chemical formula. H2O represents which compound? A. Hydrogen peroxide. B. Water. C. Oxygen gas. D. Hydroxide. Correct answer, B. Water. Explanation. H2O stands for water. 2 hydrogen atoms bonded to 1 oxygen atom. 4. What organ in the human body filters waste from the blood? A. Liver. B. Kidneys. C. Lungs. D. Heart. Correct answer, B. Kidneys. Explanation. The kidneys remove waste and excess water, forming urine. 5. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Jupiter. D. Saturn. Correct answer, A. Mars. Explanation. Mars appears red because of iron oxide, rust, on its surface. 6. The smallest unit of an element that retains its properties is A. Proton. B. Atom. C. Molecule. D. Neutron. Correct answer, B. Atom. Explanation. Atoms are the basic building blocks of matter.
Question number 7. Which vitamin is mainly produced in the skin when exposed to sunlight? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin D. D. Vitamin B12. Correct answer, C. Vitamin D. Explanation. When sunlight hits the skin, it triggers the production of vitamin D, which helps the body absorb calcium for strong bones. Question number 8. What is the main function of red blood cells? A. Fight infection. B. Carry oxygen. C. Produce hormones. D. Digest nutrients. Correct answer, B. Carry oxygen. Explanation. Red blood cells use hemoglobin to transport oxygen from the lungs to body tissues. Question number 9. What type of energy is stored in food? A. Kinetic energy. B. Chemical energy. C. Thermal energy. D. Nuclear energy. Correct answer, B. Chemical energy. Explanation. Food contains chemical energy stored in molecular bonds that the body converts into usable energy. Question number 10. Which planet has the most moons? A. Earth. B. Jupiter. C. Saturn. D. Neptune. Correct answer, B. Jupiter. Explanation. Jupiter has over 90 known moons, including the 4 large Galilean moons. Question number 11. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? A. 50 degrees Celsius. B. 75 degrees Celsius. C. 100 degrees Celsius. D. 150 degrees Celsius. Correct answer, C. 100 degrees Celsius. Explanation. At normal atmospheric pressure, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Question number 12. Which part of the human brain controls balance and coordination? A. Cerebrum. B. Cerebellum. C. Brainstem. D. Hypothalamus. Correct answer, B. Cerebellum. Explanation. The cerebellum is responsible for maintaining balance, posture, and fine muscle coordination. Question number 13. Which gas is essential for human respiration? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Correct answer, B. Oxygen. Explanation. Humans need oxygen to produce energy in cells through the process of cellular respiration. Question number 14. Which of these is not a renewable energy source? A. Wind. B. Solar. C. Coal. D. Hydroelectric. Correct answer, C. Coal. Explanation. Coal is a fossil fuel that cannot be replenished naturally within a short time. Question number 15. What part of the plant conducts water from the roots to the leaves? A. Phloem. B. Xylem. C. Stomata. D. Chloroplast. Correct answer, B. Xylem. Explanation. The xylem transports water and minerals upward from the roots to the rest of the plant. Question number 21. Which gas do humans exhale after respiration? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Correct answer, B. Carbon dioxide. Explanation. During respiration, cells use oxygen and produce carbon dioxide as a waste gas, which we exhale. Question number 22. Which organ in the human body is primarily responsible for detoxifying chemicals? A. Kidney. B. Liver. C. Heart. D. Stomach. Correct answer, B. Liver. Explanation. The liver breaks down toxins, drugs, and chemicals to make them safe for elimination from the body. Question number 23. What is the main gas found in an Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Correct answer, C. Nitrogen. Explanation. Nitrogen makes up about 78% of the Earth's atmosphere, while oxygen makes up around 21%. Question number 24. What type of simple machine is a seesaw? A. Pulley. B. Lever. C. Wheel and axle. D. Wedge. Correct answer, B. Lever. Explanation. A seesaw is a type of lever where a fulcrum supports a beam that balances weight on either side. Question number 25. Which part of the atom has a positive charge? A. Electron. B. Neutron. C. Proton. D. Nucleus. Correct answer, C. Proton. Explanation. Protons are positively charged particles found inside the atom's nucleus. Question number 26. Which planet is closest to the Sun? A. Venus, B. Earth, C. Mercury, D. Mars. Correct answer, C. Mercury. Explanation. Mercury orbits nearest to the Sun and has the shortest year of all the planets. Question number 27. Which process in plants converts sunlight into chemical energy? A. Respiration, B. Germination, C. Photosynthesis, D. Transpiration. Correct answer, C. Photosynthesis. Explanation. During photosynthesis, plants use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to produce glucose and oxygen. Question number 28. What force pulls objects toward the center of the Earth? A. Friction, B. Gravity, C. Magnetism, D. Momentum. Correct answer, B. Gravity. Explanation. Gravity is the force that attracts all objects with mass toward one another, keeping us grounded. Question number 29. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? A. S, B. So, C. Na, D. Sn. Correct answer, C. Na. Explanation. The chemical symbol Na comes from the Latin word natrium, meaning sodium. Question number 30. What device is used to measure temperature? A. Barometer, B. Thermometer, C. Hygrometer, D. Altimeter. Correct answer, B. Thermometer. Explanation. A thermometer measures temperature using a scale such as Celsius or Fahrenheit. Question number 31. What part of the human body is responsible for pumping blood? A. Brain, B. Heart, C. Lungs, D. Kidneys. Correct answer, B. Heart. Explanation. The heart pumps oxygen-rich blood through arteries and returns deoxygenated blood through veins. Question number 32. Which part of the plant is responsible for making food? A. Roots, B. Stems, C. Leaves, D. Flowers. Correct answer, C. Leaves. Explanation. Leaves contain chlorophyll, which helps capture sunlight for photosynthesis, the process that makes food. Question number 33. What do we call a scientist who studies rocks? A. Chemist, B. Biologist, C. Geologist, D. Physicist. Correct answer, C. Geologist. Explanation. Geologists study Earth's materials, including rocks, minerals, and the processes that form them. Question number 34. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? A. Type A, B. Type B, C. Type AB, D. Type O negative. Correct answer, D. Type O negative. Explanation. Type O negative blood can be safely given to patients of all other blood types. Question number 35. What is the unit of measurement for electric current? A. Volt, B. Ampere, C. Ohm, D. Watt. Correct answer, B. Ampere. Explanation. Electric current is measured in amperes amps, representing the flow of electrons per second. Question number 36. Which layer of the Earth contains both crust and upper mantle? A. Lithosphere, B. Core, C. Asthenosphere, D. Troposphere. Correct answer, A. Lithosphere. Explanation. The lithosphere is the rigid outer layer of Earth that includes the crust and uppermost mantle. Question number 37. What is the main purpose of white blood cells? A. Transport oxygen, B. Fight infections, C. Control body temperature, D. Store energy. Correct answer, B. Fight infections. Explanation. White blood cells protect the body by attacking bacteria, viruses, and other harmful organisms. Question number 38. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Iron, B. Mercury, C. Aluminum, D. Copper. Correct answer, B. Mercury. Explanation. Mercury is unique because it remains in liquid form at normal room temperature. Question number 39. Which part of the eye controls the amount of light entering it? A. Lens, B. Retina, C. Iris, D. Cornea. Correct answer, C. Iris. Explanation. The iris adjusts the size of the pupil to regulate how much light enters the eye. Question number 40. Which gas do plants release during photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Correct answer, B. Oxygen. Explanation. During photosynthesis, plants use carbon dioxide and release oxygen as a byproduct.